Hello. For this problem, I'm using Excel for the middle 40%. First, we needed to find the mean, which is 64,065, and the standard deviation. And then when you're finding find the proportion of novels that are between these two values. When you plug in a value, it gives you the percent below. So if we plug in the 62,000, it'll give us the percent below. If we subtract this one here, it will give us what's in between them. So if we come over here, you can do it all at once also. If we go equal, norm, and then we want distribution, the larger value, 62,322, comma, the mean, 6465, and the standard deviation. And then you put 1 for the percent under the curve. And we're going to subtract the other one, norm. Distribution. And then you put your lower value, the 46630, comma, mean, standard deviation, 1 under the curve, and hit enter. And it'll bring you your value. The 80th percentile means 80% is below it, and we're looking for the value. So it's equal norm, but it's inverse because we're given the percent. We put the percent below, which is 0.8, the mean, standard deviation, and you don't need the 1 when you're using the inverse. And there's your value. And the last one, they want the middle 40%. So if we have 40% in the middle, that means there's 60% on the outside. But it's uniform. So 60 divided by 2, 30% would be here, and 30% would be here. And we want to find the number that's on both ends of the 40. Remember, just like we did here for the 80th percentile, you put the percent below. So if we want to find this one, we're going to be putting 30%. And if you want, you can retype here. We could go here. And instead of 8, we want 30%, 0.3. And hit enter. And that's your lower value. So that's the value here. Now this one would have 40 and 30 or 70% below it. So to find this one then, exact same thing, except 70%. So we'd change our 3 to a 7 and hit enter, and there's our upper value.